Okay, my dear students, today we'll learn all Arabic letters. Are you ready?
Alif for Allah, our creator. Ba for Barakah, blessings and light. Ta for Torah, guidance and light. Fa for Thawab, reward and light. Jim for Jamal, beauty we see. Ha for Hajj, journey of light. Kha for Khairan, something good. Dal for Dua, supplication to Allah. Alif Ba Taa, here we go. Jim ha dal, let's learn and grow. Arabic letters, 28 in a line. Every single letter, beautiful and divine. Dal for Dahab, golden and bright. Ra for Ramadan, month of mercy and light. Zay for Zamzam, blessed water so bright. Sin for Salam, peace be on you. Shin for Shams, the bright shining sun. Sad for Sabr, patience for everyone. Dad for the light that we see. Ta for Tahara, purity. Alif Ba Taa, here we go. Jim ha dal, let's learn and grow. Arabic letters, 28 in a line. Every single letter, beautiful and divine. Da for Dil, the shade cool and white. Ain for Ayla, family by our side. Gain for Gani, the rich who provides. Fajr, the dawn opens wide. Kaf for Qur'an, truth and light. Kaf for Kaaba, the house of Allah so bright. Lam for Layla, the beauty of the night. Mim for Masjid, our house of worship and light. Alif Ba Taa, here we go. Jim ha dal, let's learn and grow. Arabic letters, 28 in a line. Every single letter, beautiful and divine. Noon for Noor, the light shining bright. Wow for Wudu, clean and pure and right. Ha for Hawa, the fresh breeze and sky. Ya for Yaqin, faith soaring high. 28 letters, we learned them all. Alhamdulillah, we answered the call. Learning Arabic letters every day. Ajil Muslim Kid
Ajil Muslim Kids, where little heart grow and shine in the light of Islam.